Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel, Name, where we dive deep into the world of rare coins, precious collectibles, and the fascinating stories behind them. If you are a fan of numismatics or just enjoy a good treasure hunt, you're in the right place. Now, today's episode is all about one particular coin, a coin that, despite its humble appearance, can fetch an astonishing amount of money. We're talking about the 1979 one new penny, a coin that may look like any other in your collection, but could be one of the most expensive pennies in the world if you find the right one. Stick around as we explore how a fine condition 1979 one new penny could be worth a small fortune. At first glance, the 1979 one new penny might seem like an ordinary coin. After all, it's just another British penny from the late 20th century, right? But as with many things in the world of numismatics, it's what's beneath the surface that can make all the difference. The coin may not look especially rare or unique, but in the right condition, it's actually one of the most sought after coins by collectors today. So what makes the 1979 one new penny so valuable? Let's take a closer look. The 1979 one new penny was minted as part of the British currency system's decimalization, where the pound was divided into 100 new tenths instead of 240 old pennies. It was the beginning of a new era for British currency. But the thing that sets the 1979 one new penny apart from other coins of the era is its rare fine condition. You might be wondering, what is fine condition when it comes to coin grading? In coin collecting, the condition of a coin plays a huge role in its value. Coins are graded based on their physical appearance, and fine condition means that the coin has some wear but still retains significant detail. You can still clearly see the design, but there may be slight signs of use or tarnishing. Coins are graded on a scale from poor to mint state, and while a fine condition coin may not be perfect, it's still a highly desirable grade. This is especially true for the 1979 one new penny. While you can find pennies in circulation from that year, finding one in fine condition with sharp, readable features and no major defects is quite. Now, here's the big question. Why is this 1979 one new penny worth so much money in recent years? There have been reports of a 1979 one new selling for hundreds, even thousands of pounds at auction. But how could a penny from 1979 be worth so much? The answer lies in the combination of rarity and demand. While most of the coins from the 1970s are still relatively easy to find, the 1979 penny, specifically in fine condition, is more difficult to come by in good form. Many were in circulation for a long time, getting worn down with use. So if you happen to find one of these in pristine shape, you might have just discovered a hidden gem. To put it into perspective, think about it like this: the coin in fine condition can be extremely valuable because collectors are constantly on the hunt for the rarest, highest quality pieces. I spoke with coin expert name, a renowned numismatist, and here's what they had to say about the 1979 one new penny. The 1979 one new penny isn't just a coin, it's A piece of history, the design of the coin, featuring the famous portcullis on the reverse and the portrait of Queen Elizabeth on the obverse, symbolizes an important moment in British monetary reform. Coins like this, one in fine condition, capture the essence of that transition, making them valuable to collectors who appreciate the history behind them. So now you know what makes the 1979 one new penny in fine condition so special. But how do you spot one? Here are some tips for identifying a 1979 one new penny in fine condition. Look for the sharpness of the design, even slight wear can dull the intricate details, especially on the letters and numbers. Check for any major scratches, dents, or discoloration. A fine condition coin should have minimal surface damage. The edge should still have some crispness to it. Over time, edges can become worn down, but a fine condition coin retains its overall shape. Here's a side-by-side comparison of a well-worn penny next to a fine condition penny. See the difference? It's all in the details. Oh, if you find one of these coins, where can you sell it? Well, your best bet is to check out online auction sites, numismatic marketplaces, or local coin dealers. Some 1979 one new pennies in fine condition have been known to sell for over £1,000 at auction, depending on their quality. And there you have it, the story of the 1979 one new penny, one of the most expensive coins you might find in your pocket. Remember, the world of coin collecting is filled with hidden treasures, and sometimes the most valuable items are the ones you least expect. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to your channel name, and ring the bell so you never miss an episode about rare coins and collectibles. And hey, if you found any rare pennies or coins recently, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your discoveries.